Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 104. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got the 8 covering these two boxes, so 2, 7, 2, 7. That means that our 8 for that column has to be here. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. The 6 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got the 1 here, so 4, 1. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 5 here, so 6. 5, that makes this our 6. For this column now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 9. 8 here, so 7, 9. 9 here, so 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got, wait, is that right? Yep, there must be a mistake somewhere because we have 1, 3, and 4 here. And I don't see a way to fix that easily, so that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. If you saw where I made a mistake, leave a comment down below. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.